Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy process of registering for a BitPay crypto card step by step. BitPay offers a convenient way to spend cryptocurrencies at merchants that accept Visa, and having a BitPay card can simplify your financial transactions. Let's jump right into the registration process. Step 1. Download the BitPay app. To get started, you need to download the BitPay app. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for BitPay, and click on the download button. Once the app is installed, open it to begin. Step 2. Create an account. If you're a new user, tap on Create Account. You will be prompted to enter your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of service. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account to enhance security. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from BitPay. Click on the verification link included in the email to confirm your account. This step is crucial for securing your account and ensuring that your information is protected. Step 4. Complete your profile. After verifying your email, log back into the BitPay app. You will need to complete your profile, providing necessary information such as your full name, phone number, and residential address. Ensure that the information is accurate, as this is required for your card application. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. For enhanced security, it's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a second form of identification during login. Step 6. Go to the card section. Once your profile is set up, navigate to the card section in the app. Here, you will find the option to apply for the BitPay crypto card. Tap on it to continue. Step 7. Submit your application. Fill out the required details in the application form, which may include providing identification for Know Your Customer (KYC) verification. Make sure to double-check all information before submission to avoid delays in processing. Step 8. Fund your card. After your application is approved, you can fund your BitPay card. Simply transfer cryptocurrencies into your BitPay wallet and then load your card from your wallet balance. You can use Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, or other cryptocurrencies supported by BitPay. Step 9. Wait for your physical card. Once your card is funded, BitPay will send you a physical card via mail. This may take a few days, so be patient. Meanwhile, you can use the virtual card immediately for online purchases. Step 10. Start spending. Once you have your BitPay card activated, you can begin using it for purchases anywhere that accepts Visa. Simply load your card with crypto from your BitPay wallet and enjoy the benefits of seamless transactions. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to register for a BitPay crypto card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more informative content.